you're wondering where am I going now? Well, I'm going to Boston. I'm going to Boston, Massachusetts. What's in Boston? Film Festival, the Shawna Shea Film Festival. So three of my movies got in. You got Zombie Chronicles, which got nominated for Best Horror Film for the film festival. And that movie produced back in around 2010. That got nominated. I believe it's going to win. Fingers crossed. So the award ceremony is on Saturday, so I'm going to be there from today till Saturday. Another film that got in was Gran'mama. Gran'mama was a film that I produced last year, and a cool little short film about Red Riding Hood's granddaughter. It was written by Gary Razor, and that got officially selected. It's going to be a 3.5-hour ride, and I figured why not take the Fat Boy. Fat Boy's a nice little bike. I don't think I've ridden a Fat Boy on the channel yet, so here she is. Here she is. She's a 2016 Fat Boy Lo. Saw it, I fell in love with it. I added my own touch to it. I added a Screaming Eagle Stage 2 cam, and boy, did that make a difference. So torquey. And it's awesome. It's a very comfortable ride. I think it's more comfortable than my Lowrider ST. For sure. So yeah, so that's where we're going. Just want to check in real quick, let you guys know what's happening with the filmmaking, and yeah, hope I didn't forget anything. You know, sometimes these trips you're like rushing out the door. Like today I had a little bit of car trouble. I had to work, like change a tire or whatever, and I'm a little delayed. But the film festival is at 7:30, at least my block, and I should get there around 6, the way it looks. So I'm very excited about that. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll show some footage, and we'll see who wins. You know, fingers crossed. By the end of this video, we'll see who wins.
Hey guys, so I'm at the Shawna Shea Film Festival in Boston, and right now I'm just in my room getting everything ready. I'm really excited about tonight. I'm excited. Right, tonight is gonna be Tales from Clipper Coffee, and then that is my Alien Invasion movie, and the next film after that is going to be Gran'mama. So yeah, wish me luck. And tomorrow's gonna be Zombie Chronicles, but I'm here. I had a long motorcycle ride. It was, you know, my butt is hurting right now. But I'm excited to be here, and I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, we're at the Shawna Shea Film Festival, as you can see. So we're here, and I think the next film right now is going to be Gran'mama, and then following that it's going to be Tales from Clipper Coffee, which also has my film in it. It's also one of Jerry's films. So together we collaborated, made that film, but here we are. Hey guys, so we're at the JR's Spooky Shack, and they have some really cool stuff here. We have this guy, the Saw Jigsaw. I didn't know they had something like this here in Massachusetts. You got Terrifier, Art the Clown. I worked on one of those movies. Pretty nice, pretty fun experience. Yeah, so let's go in and see what this is like. They got a pinball machine. This is so cool. Look at that. Art the Clown. Anything you like?
Yeah, what are we doing? It's cool so far.
Hey, how you doing? You got Chucky. Good guy doll. Then you got Freddy's glove down there.
Of course, man. Gotta have the staples.
Like the Nightmare on Elm Street house. Is that what this is? I think it is. Oh wow, it is. Yeah, so awesome, fun times.
Feature goes to Zombie Chronicles.
So we won Zombie Chronicles, and I just want to thank everybody, including Jessica, all the actors and crew, and everybody was part of this. We won Best Horror. It's awesome experience, and thank you guys. Looking forward to the next one, and again, love you guys and thank you.